A very good morning to everyone. I am Taruna Gitkar. I am Assistant Professor in SAGE Group of SRT College, Bhopal. Today we are going to discuss the management, about the management, what is the management, and very important topic is very basic things about the management, that is the principles of management. How many principles in the management we are going to very in detail, and before that we just know about the what is the management. So if I am talking about what is the management, so that is the management is process of getting things done through and with others to achieve specific organizational goals effectively and efficiently. As you can see on the screen, the basic meaning of the management. The basic meaning of the management is process of getting things done through others. That means we cannot do work alone. We need a people to get things done, and how we will manage the work with the people. That is the basic things of the management. And second, achieve specific organizational goals effectively and efficiently. So every management is work to achieve the organizational goal. Obviously, we will discuss the management, but in the management, we will talk about the goals as well, and how we will achieve the goals effectively and efficiently. If the work cannot be done effectively and efficiently, that means work done but not effectively and efficiently, that is not called the management. So it is very important whenever you start any work, any target, any achieve, any goal set, it should be effectively and efficiently. What do you mean by effectively and efficiently? Effectively, that means should be done within a timeline, within a deadline, and efficiently that be a quality oriented. Suppose that work can be done, but it is not a quality oriented, that is not a good management. But work cannot be done within a time, but with the quality, that is also not the management. So two things is very important in the management. So that is the basic meaning of the management. Now we are discuss about the definition. Every topic we have the definitions, and it is very important we know the definition. Okay, so what is called the management definition? That is very easy. There is so many definitions in different books, and so many authors uh, define the definition of the management. But one of the very important definition of given by the Henry Fayol, describe managing, forecasting, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. What is that? That is the five functions of the management. Very important. First of all, we just know who is Henry Fayol. Who is Henry Fayol? So I just want to give you the few brief introduction about the Henry Fayol. Was a French mining engineer, mining executive, author, and director of the mines who developed a general theory of the business administration that is often called the Fawless. So he is a very famous person who give the universal principles of the management, and that principle of the management is applicable everywhere. Okay, what is the contribution of the Henry Fayol in the management? He gave us the 14 principles of management, which is we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Okay, next slide, or we can cover this in a next part. So, what is the basic definition of that? Planning, forecasting, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. That is definition given by the Henry Fayol. Now we are talking about the what is the 14 principles of management, which is given by the Henry Fayol. These are the principles you can see on your screen. Okay. So I'm just going to dictate once, then we will discuss one by one all the 14 principles. That is the basic things of the management. That is the division of work. First is division of work. Second is authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure, initiative, and esprit de corps. What is that 14 principle? We will definitely We will definitely discuss in detail. Okay, so for that, for this particular lecture, we just introduce what is the 14th principle. I'm going to discuss once again: division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar trend, order, equity, stability of tenure, initiative, and esprit de corps. Okay, and what is the detail about the 14 principles of management given by the Henry Fayol? We will discuss in a part 2 of this lecture. So for that, for this video, that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you understand very well what is the importance of the management, what is the management, and what is the 14 principles of management. And for that, next video, we will discuss what is the 14 principles